Hi future doctors, welcome to the next class. In today's class we will discuss about measurements. So measurements and least count of the instrument. So you might have seen normal scale. So in that scale you might have observed some divisions. How the scale will be divided, we are going to see today. So in your scale, initial value 0, later 1, later 2. Next, initial value, it is starting from 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2. Like this, it is going to be divided. Next, in another scale, you might have observed like this: 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. So the division of this scale, the division of the scales is called calibration of the scale, we will say. So what is this division? How it is helpful for our measurement? Now by using the scale, you are going to measure, we are going to measure least value is nothing but this. After 0, you got 1. Now between 0 and 1, only one division is there. Therefore, you are going to measure least value 1 centimeter. So in between, in this scale, in between 0 and 1, how many divisions are there? Means 10 divisions are there. In this, only one division is there. In this, 10 divisions are there. Therefore, each division value means this value. Each division value how much means 1 by 10. That is nothing but 0.1. Isn't it? So least value is not 1 here. This is nothing but 0.1. Units if you want to write centimeters. If you want to write in millimeters, each division value, this value is going to be 1 mm. Least value. Next, by using this, between 0 and 1, 20 divisions are there. Therefore, what is this each value in this means? This each value is nothing but 1 by 20. 1 by 20 means, so in this is 1 mm. In this, 1 by 2 means 0.5 mm. So if you do 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5 by 10, that is 0.05 centimeters. This is in centimeters. 1 by 20 centimeters, 1 by 10 centimeters, 1 by 1 centimeter. Understood? How many divisions are there? You have to divide with that divisions. Now, this value we are going to call it as the 0.1, this 1 centimeter, the 0.05 centimeters. We are going to call it as least count. Least count of scale, normal scale. So ending value, if it is 100 centimeters, scale is nothing but 1 meter scale. If it is having 15 centimeters, so scale is going to measure 15 centimeters. In your scale, you can observe how many divisions are there in between 0 and 1. Your divisions are like this or like this. This one you can't see. So mainly either this or this one will be there. So you have to count how many divisions are there. So you have to divide simply. 1 by 10 gives least count of that value. The least value measured by this normal scale, the least value or minimum value measured by these scales, we are calling it as least count. So by using this, what is the least value we said? 1 centimeter by using this. By using this, how much we said? 0.1 centimeters. By using this, how much we said means 0.05 centimeters, 1 by 20 centimeters. So simply how many divisions are there? Just you have to divide. Now, this is about least count definition. How we are going to take this one in? Mainly, we are going to use vernier calipers and screw gauge. In this, we will discuss about only vernier calipers. Now, what is the least count of vernier calipers means? On vernier calipers, how many scales will be there? You people should come to know. So, if you might have observed vernier calipers, I am not going to draw entire diagram here. So, in these two scales will be there. One is main scale. On that main scale, 10 divisions will be there like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10th division. This is 1 centimeter. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2 centimeters. This scale we are calling it as main scale. Next, for the main scale below, you will be having vernier scale. How the vernier scale is going to be coming. So, for that vernier scale, it will be starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, they will give like this. This is nothing but vernier scale. So, if you observe on this scale, so how many divisions on vernier scale are there? 10 divisions. 10 vernier scale divisions is equal to how many divisions on main scale means here 0 to 1 means 10, here to here means 9. So, this one only they will write NVSD is equal to N minus 1 MSD. So, what is this VSD means? N vernier scale divisions. 10 vernier scale divisions divided on main scale with how many divisions means 9 divisions. From here to here, how many divisions means 9 divisions. So, NVSD equal to N minus 1 MSD. So, on vernier scale means vernier calipers, you have mainly two scales. One is main scale, another one is vernier scale. What is the least count of this scale? Any measurement or instrument or measured value you are going to measure by any instrument. For that, definitely what will be there means least count will be there. Now, what is the least count for that? In this means simply we said because only one scale. Here two scales are there. Therefore, for this one formula will be there. What is the formula for the least count is equal to, so 1 MSD by number of VSD. One main scale division by number of vernier scale division. This is one formula. Another formula is going to be 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This is another formula. What is this 1 MSD? 1 MSD is nothing but on main scale, each value is going to be how much? What is 1 MSD means? This value. Now, what is this value means? On this main scale, between 0 and 1, how many divisions are there? 10 divisions are there. You have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 divisions are there. So, in these 10 divisions, one division value how much means? Here we did. In these 10 divisions, one division value is nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 centimeters. Otherwise, 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is the 1 MSD value. 1 millimeter divided by number of vernier scale divisions. How many vernier scale divisions are there? 0 to 10. This is vernier scale. So, 10 divisions are there. So, 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 mm. This one only if you want to convert into centimeters. So, 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. If you do 0.1 by 10, so 0.01 centimeters. Therefore, least count of this vernier calipers is nothing but 0.01 centimeters. Now, if you use this formula, you should get the same answer. So, whether you are going to get or not, we will see. So, 1 MSD value already we said. What is 1 MSD value? So, 1 MSD value is nothing but 1 main scale division is nothing but 1 mm. Correct? 1 MSD is going to be 1 mm we wrote. Now what is 1 VSD on this? So coming to here, what is 1 VSD from this? 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD. Then what is 1 VSD? 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10. 9 by 10 MSD. Understood? That 9 by 10 you can substitute. 9 by 10 MSD. 1 VSD is 9 by 10 MSD. Then if you have taken common 10 minus 9 by 10 MSD. So 1 by 10 MSD. What is MSD value we said? 1 MSD is nothing but 1 MSD is nothing but 1 mm. Therefore, again 0.1 mm, again 0.01 centimeters. So like this you people should do. So again you are going to get same answer. I am writing here. Maybe it is visible. We will see once. So like this we are going to calculate least count of vernier calipers. Yes, it is visible. Okay. So this is in centimeters. So 0.01 centimeters is the least count of this vernier calipers. On this only they are going to ask the problems for you. How they are going to ask? We will see some problems. Then you will become perfect on this. Whenever they are asking questions, you will do very easily. Now, see on this how they are going to ask. NVSD equal to n minus 1 MSD they will give. So while giving question, n vernier scale divisions equal to n minus 1 main scale divisions. Now what is the least count value? If each MSD, definitely they will give this each MSD value. Each MSD is 1 mm, otherwise they will give in different way to calculate that each MSD. How they will give, we will see one by one. No need to worry. Now what is least count formula whenever they give like this? What is least count formula means? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. You cannot use this formula at that time because you don't know number of vernier scale divisions. Isn't it? So what is 1 MSD? 1 mm. 1 VSD you have to convert. 1 VSD equal to n minus 1 by n MSD. So n minus 1 by n MSD. What is common now? MSD you can take common. 1 minus n minus 1 divided by n MSD. If you are taking common MSD. If you are taking LCM, n minus n plus 1 by n MSD. N will be cancelled. 1 by n MSD. Now what is 1 MSD value? 1 mm. Therefore 1 mm by n. This is 1 by n millimeters. If they are asking in centimeters, just we have to convert. This one like this we did. So after going for exam, they may ask n vernier scale divisions. N vernier scale divisions equal to n minus 2. N minus 2 MSD. N vernier scale divisions equal to n minus 2 MSD. Again now in place of VSD. So then 1 VSD equal to how much we will write? N minus 2 by n MSD. Now again you are going to substitute in this least count. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD minus n minus 2 by n MSD. In place of VSD, we are writing MSD. Correct? Because we are replacing VSD into MSD. Why we are replacing means because they gave 1 MSD value. Then what you will get here? N minus n plus 2 by n MSD. That is nothing but 2 by n MSD, 2 by n millimeters. Like this they will. So this n, in place of that n value, they may give sometimes 20 vernier scale divisions equal to 19 main scale divisions. 20 vernier scale divisions equal to 19 main scale divisions. Then again what is least count they will ask. Again we have to use same formula. Each MSD is 1 mm they will give. If they didn't give each MSD value, they will give information in such a way that on main scale 1 centimeter is having n divisions they will say. If 1 centimeter is having n divisions, what is each MSD? Each MSD is nothing but 1 by n. Understood? Here 0 to 1, how many divisions are there? 10 divisions. Then what is the each MSD value we said? Each MSD value is nothing but 1 mm or 1 by 10 centimeters. Isn't it? Here they gave centimeter. Therefore, 1 by n centimeters. This is 1 by 10 centimeters. 0.1 centimeters, otherwise 1 mm. If they give centimeters, so each centimeter is divided into n divisions. Here each centimeter is divided into 10 divisions. Like this they are going to ask. Once we are going to do multiple problems on this. I gave here 20 MSD equal to 19 MSD. You can solve with 20 VSD. Sorry, 20 VSD equal to 19 MSD. You can take 20 VSD equal to 18 MSD. You can take your own MSD value and you can substitute. These two formulas are main for you. One is MSD by 1 MSD by number of VSD. Another one is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So this is about least count of linear calculus. You can do number of problems by practicing. Definitely you will become perfect on this.